SCON Design India Private Ltd is a renowned architectural design firm located in HBR Layout, Bangalore. With a team of highly skilled and experienced architects, SCON Design has established itself as one of the top architectural designers in the area. Their expertise lies in creating innovative and functional designs that cater to the unique needs of each client. Whether it's residential, commercial, or institutional projects, SCON Design has consistently delivered exceptional results, making them the go-to choice for architectural design in HBR Layout. What sets SCON Design apart from other architectural firms is their commitment to excellence and attention to detail. They understand that every project is different and requires a tailored approach. The team at SCON Design takes the time to thoroughly understand the client's requirements, budget, and timeline to develop a design that exceeds expectations. Their ability to blend creativity with practicality ensures that their designs are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and sustainable. SCON Design's portfolio showcases a diverse range of projects, including residential apartments, villas, office spaces, educational institutions, and healthcare facilities. Their designs are characterized by clean lines, contemporary aesthetics, and efficient space utilization. They believe in creating spaces that inspire and enhance the quality of life for the occupants. With their extensive knowledge of building codes and regulations, SCON Design ensures that all their designs comply with the necessary standards. They also collaborate closely with engineers and contractors to ensure seamless execution of the project. Their expertise in project management enables them to deliver projects on time and within budget, earning them a reputation for reliability and professionalism. SCON Design's client-centric approach is evident in their commitment to customer satisfaction. When it comes to architectural design in HBR Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd stands out as one of the top firms in the field. With their expertise and innovative approach, they have established themselves as leaders in the industry. SCON Design India Private Ltd is known for their commitment to delivering exceptional designs that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Their team of top architectural designers brings a wealth of knowledge and experience to every project they undertake. With a focus on creating spaces that enhance the lives of the people who use them, SCON Design India Private Ltd has earned a reputation for excellence in architectural design. They understand the importance of creating spaces that are not only visually appealing but also practical and efficient. Their team of top architectural designers works closely with clients to understand their needs and expectations, ensuring that every project is tailored to meet their specific requirements. SCON Design India Private Ltd's portfolio showcases their versatility and ability to handle a wide range of projects. From residential buildings to commercial spaces, they have successfully completed numerous projects in HBR Layout and beyond. Their designs are characterized by their attention to detail, innovative solutions, and seamless integration